Morning, guys. It's October. Furnace this morning that I had a problem with, so. And I got another one after that if it's, if I still got time. But she says that the thing's not heating the house and it's down in the basement, so. Shouldn't be an issue. Because I'm working out of a pickup truck here. I got no ladders or nothing with me, so I'm just trying to do what I can for people if I can. Kind of miss my big truck, but not much I can do about it. Should be getting it back beginning of the week. Do what I can. Need some footage anyway, so. Working again, y'all. Steve is working again, y'all. Stevie Lab's a real working man, mama. He's a real working man, y'all. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots if it's not too dark and dingy down there. See what's going on.
A little bit of dust residue on it, and then flip the switch back on. I did the normal Google troubleshoot.
Did it glow? Did it glow red? No.
No, not at all. That's why.
The old Google troubleshoot.
The old YouTube.
What was it? Was it cracked?
No, it had a little ball on it.
Did it?
Yeah. That was like, it was one.
I know I don't have one of them in the truck. I'd have to run and get it.
An igniter?
Yeah. Unfortunately. If that's what the problem is. Yeah, the igniter's bad. It's open line.
Yeah.
It's not even. Not even doing anything, so what we can do is we can plug this in and run it and see if we get power.
Yep.
If we get power, then we know it's good, right?
Igniter, right. And where do you even buy an igniter? I'm searching for that. Everything.
Go turn up the thermostat. It's got to go to the supply house that sells this shit. Oh, we're gonna put on volts. Alright, so you've got 120, so it's a bad igniter. See, I had 120 there?
Yep.
So that's the problem. Oh yeah, she's definitely smoked.
Yeah.
I have to go to Fall River to get this thing.
Yeah.
You want heat?
Yeah, I'll go grab it. I have no problem.
Oh, okay. So
yeah, I have no problem plugging one in and screwing that in.
You gotta go to Robinson Supply.
Robinson.
In Fall River.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Yeah.
Then you just put that back in.
Yep.
Right, and put the screw back in.
Yeah.
Be careful that when you put it in, you don't bang it.
Okay.
And then after you're done, plug it in.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
And then should be fine. You know where Robinson Supply is in Fall River?
We can Google it, but not that familiar. Is it
What you want to do is take the model and serial number down of this thing right here.
Yep.
You tell them it's a Goodman.
Yep.
Right here is model and serial.
Hold on,
Okay? Get a piece of paper and you can write it down.
I'll take a picture of it. Oh.
Gotta get it so you could see it. Can you see it? You could just show them that. Tell them it's a 90 plus
90 plus. Okay.
gas furnace.
Okay.
And you need an igniter.
Okay.
And it's pretty simple.
That's what I was hoping.
Yeah, they close at 12.
All right.
So I'm pretty sure that they'll sell it to you.
Awesome. I was gonna say you don't need a heater's account or something. Is it not like?
I don't know.
Site or something like that.
You might. I don't think so. I think that they'll probably sell you that igniter.